Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another LeetCode problem 540 single element in sorted array. I would highly recommend you should read the problem statement before jumping into the solution so that you can get the intuition of this solution. So let's get into the solution. What problem is asking? You are given an array in which elements are duplicate exactly twice and you have to return the element which is not duplicate. Over here it is 2, as simple as that, but not simple in code. Also, while we are discussing about searching, one thing is it should strike in our mind is binary search. But while thinking about binary search, it is nowhere written in the problem statement that it is sorted. So that it is not sorted, but it doesn't mean binary search will not be applicable. It will be, but it's not like every binary search problem. It is little different. Let's discuss what it is. Let's discuss two things about pairs. Take this and this. Change the pen color. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. We are discussing this first. When we are at even index, we will look forward. At odd index, we look backward. Whenever we are at even index, look forward. Odd index, look backward. But here is the part where you should open your ears, brains. Here, even look forward. If we somehow are made appeared on odd, look backward. But flow is disrupted. Even we are pointing to something else. Odd, we are pointing to something else. It means what it means that something has disrupted, and what we should do to look backwards, get to back. We should decrease the high, mid plus one, and in this case, when everything is correct, what should we do? We should look forward to get the answer, the unique element, the lonely one. Not mid plus one, my bad, mid minus one. This would be mid plus one. Increase it. That that's all it to it. Let's again what we did. If you're on even index, look forward. On odd index, look backward. Even index, look forward. Odd index, look backward. When I did 2 3 times, you will get it. And when the flow is disrupted, you saw yourself what happens. So and also the algo would something be like this. Is the thickness. Algo would be like this. If everything is right, what we will do is with plus one. If not true, yes, false, then already discussed I is equals to mid minus one. And also, in order to catch this, if you see, if it is our mid, then at mid plus one, it is also not equal. At mid minus one, it is not equal. So we will also check this condition before of mid minus one not equal to num and mid plus one not equal to num. We will check this condition before and then we will proceed with this. So it is pretty much clear. Let's take a problem statement, not problem statement. Let's take a Let's take test case to dry run it. Let's again change our pen. Yellow is more visible. 1 2 1 1 2 3 3 4 4 8 8 4 4 8 8 0 1. Let me change the pen. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Low is 0, high is 8. Mid would be, what is the mid would be? 4. Mid is over here. It's even index. Look forward. Not same. Something has happened. What should we do? Low would remain same, but high. What it would be? Mid minus 1. Mid is 4. So what it would become is minus 3. 3. Again, low is 0, high is 3. Mid would be 3 divided by 2. 1. Mid is 1. We are at odd index. Look backward. It's fine. What we'll be doing is we have to search forward. So mid plus 1, mid is 1, and 2, high is still 3. Again, 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 we would write low is 2, high is 3. This time 5 divided by 2. 2. Mid will be 2. Mid at 2. That case occurred. If you see at both right and left, mid plus 1, mid plus 1, and mid minus 1, both value are not equal. So it is the one that disrupted the flow. You should return it. So that was the explanation. Let's get into the coding part. There are edge cases. I will tell about them. So do not worry. Basic, high, low. High is nums minus 1. Low, mid. We could have declared in mid inside. No worries. Calculating mid. That condition of where mid plus 1 and mid minus 1 are not equal. The culprit, catching the culprit. If it is a even index, look forward. If it is a odd index, look backward. And if those are conditions are satisfied, means that at forward or backward we are equal. That means look forward. And else, if that is not the case, what? Something has disrupted our even odd flow. What to do? Decrease. That's it. That's what we discuss. Come to this one. High equal to 0. When high equal to 0 means size minus 1, and when you are only having one element, so it doesn't matter. What is this? N0 not N0 not equal to N1, and nums high is not equal to nums high minus 1. What we are dealing over here is, let's see. As I discussed, it doesn't mean that it should be sorted. Same thing happens. If you write 2 over here, and if you dry run it, let me dry run it for you. Low is 0, not 8. High is 8. 4, 4, another 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. At 4, even index. Look forward. It's good. Low will be mid plus 1. It's 5. I is it 13. 8, 4, 13. 13 divided by 2. 6. We are over here. 6. Even index. Still, low is 7. I will be 8. Scroll it little bit. And 14, and 15, and 7. This odd index. See what happened. It point backward. And this will go on and on and on. Let me again it happened. No, it will not go on and on. Mid was this time what was the mids and 14, 7, 8. High and low is 8. Sorry, it will not and on and on. I shouldn't jump to the conclusion. Again 16, 8 this time when we are at this position. And you have seen yourself that what we are dealing over here is, will there be any mid plus 1? We will run into an error. So that's why to counter that error, we did it over here. Similar thing can happen when it is present at the first. At the first, we will again run the same error. This time, there would not be any mid minus 1. If you are at the front position, if you are at, let me again change that. Not 2, 3, was 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 8, 8. If you are at this position, will be able to calculate that? No, there is nothing on this side, no negative index. So to get past that error, we did that. So I explained whole thing, everything what I wrote. So it is also submitted. I hope you learned something, not very typical binary search. So I would highly recommend that it's a problem. If not understood, watch the video again and get that. And use pen and paper. Pen and paper is a must. So you guys are awesome. Bye and keep grinding because you have to help yourself. So bye. Keep grinding.